Time was, swathes of Scotland looked like this. Not now. Grangemouth is the last big complex, a beacon of manufacturing in a post-industrial age. It supplies 70% of Scotland's fuel and plenty more to Northern Ireland and the north of England. But the industrial relations are from another age too. The workers had been warned, accept a pay freeze and a poorer pension or face the sack.
Absolutely devastated by this. Absolutely devastated. That's what I've got to say. It's an absolute disgrace what they've done here.
Where does that leave you?
Yeah, a job. Same as everybody else in here. Send CVs off.
Harry Brodie has worked here for 37 years.
Disappointed, frustrated, angry. Yeah, really angry.
So how did it come to this? Ineos, which owns the Grangemouth site, said it wanted to invest in petrochemicals here, but only if it could cut staff costs. The workers called a strike. The company pulled the plug. This is the elusive tycoon who made the decision, Jim Ratcliffe, the billionaire owner of Ineos. No sign of him at Grangemouth today. Instead, his management team faced the media. Doesn't this look like vengeance?
No, not at all. It's a sad day for everybody on this site. We're certainly not punishing them, but we've got to the point now where the workers have not supported through this ballot the terms and conditions changes we want to make, which are needed for this business to survive and to get that investment.
So did Britain's biggest union miscalculate by taking on this company?
We have made further proposals in our last-ditch effort to stave off these catastrophic job losses, which we believe is tantamount to economic and industrial vandalism.
The Grangemouth site is a tangled, complex business. It includes the petrochemical plant, which makes products like plastic, and the refinery plant, which produces fuel from crude oil. Grangemouth also powers a vital North Sea pipeline. So what effect will this decision have?
In terms of the petrochemical plant, it's quite likely that it will be closed for good. Though, of course, there is a possibility that the liquidator might be able to sell the physical assets to someone else.
And the Scottish Government is leading the search for a buyer.
Yes, we've been in talks with a potential buyer, and yes, that would be a far better prospect than closure of the plant. Our priority has been, right from the start, to try and bring the sides together, to allow the investment to secure the future of the plant. That's what we're still doing and are determined to still do.
But it may be too late for these workers, and there's still no deal for the refinery to restart either. It could be a long, bleak winter here. James Cook, BBC News, Grangemouth.